Hey, welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be what to do when you hate your natural hair. If you take out your protective style and you find yourself discouraged about what to do with your hair, you don't like the way it's looking, your protective style wasn't so protective, it wasn't the best, and you find yourself having some breakage, excessive shedding, this video is going to be for you. Specifically for you, because we've all been there. We all know how we feel when our hair is dirty, dry, crack breaking off. We all know what it's like when your hair is not done, and it can be that much harder when you have a short, coarser type hair or even fine hair. When I am like, yeah, no, not feeling this natural hair thing. This is what you can do, because this is what I do. So just keep watching. So I'm telling you guys 3 steps that I take when I absolutely don't like my natural hair, don't want to look at myself. I look in the mirror, I don't look. Because if I look, I'm gonna cry because my hair is not done, because I'm not okay. This is what you do. This is the steps that you take. I will be looking down because I wrote my notes, so keep up. So this is what I do when I don't like my hair. I always practice tender, loving care with my hair. That's step 1. Practice tender, loving care. TLC, we like to call it. Give your hair that. Immediately take the style out, wash your hair, condition it, deep condition it. Let the conditioner sit in your hair. Get done with that. Style your hair, right? Moisturize it when it gets dry throughout the week. Praise your hair. But this is for that day specifically. Praise your hair. Moisturizing it. You're putting oil in your scalp. Beautiful. Tell yourself that your hair is beautiful, literally because it is, but also because your brain is like a computer. You can trick your brain into liking you. So tell your brain, my hair is so beautiful. When you do this tender loving care, take those shedded pieces, pull apart your coils, pull apart your hair, look at your hair texture. Notice the pattern of your hair on a different level than you did before. Pay more closer attention. Just look at it on your hand and tell yourself, my hair is really cool. Believe it in your mind, but say it out loud. Believing it, but your brain hearing it over and over again, how you adore your hair. You'll be liking your hair in no time, because you've been tricked yourself into liking your hair. You'll be finding stuff that you like about your hair, please. So look at your curl pattern. Look at how your curls really coil up. Your single strands, look at those. Pay attention to it and really just appreciate it. Just take the time to show your hair a little extra care, and I promise you, you'll start to feel better about it, because you'll basically rewire your brain. We can do that. Number 2 step, get off social media. Put the phone down, go off of Instagram, or get into the head. Like I said, if you want to be in a better mood about your hair and your hair is not done, if you are going to go on social media and you are going to look at a person who doesn't have a hair texture like yours, who doesn't look like you, and probably has a lot more money, I'll say, or resources than you have at that time, and you're going to watch that and you're expecting to feel inspired, you're expecting to feel uplifted, girl, no, wrong. You're going to feel terrible. What you need to do is put that down. You need to look on more positive emotions of your hair, such as someone's YouTube channel. So I say get off social media, but I just really mean to disinterest yourself from people on social media or things on social media that doesn't promote hair that looks like your hair. They don't look like you, their hair is not like yours, you should not be even you should not even be watching their content, because maybe for other things, lifestyle things, but if somebody is doing hair care, teaching you a style or whatever, and their hair is not anything like yours, or you want a style somebody has and your hair is not anything like theirs, it's like that doesn't make you feel any better about your hair, okay? It's not helping in this situation. So what you want to do is unfollow. Step number 2 is hard, y'all. Step number 2 is hard, because I already know. I already know. You ain't gonna do it. But that's okay, because I'm gonna tell you anyways. I already just told you why. I know you're not gonna get off social media. We already know you're not gonna uninstall Instagram. We know. We get it. So this is what you can do. Unfollow accounts, girls, people that don't have your same interests and that don't look like you. Unfollow them. If they're not talking about how to love your natural hair, and if their hair does not look like your hair and you're watching them to learn more about your hair, you're going about it the wrong way. You need to unfollow them. Follow people who do content that is more curated for you, that is curated specifically for you, actually. There are hundreds of videos of girls doing their natural hair. There's hundreds of channels talking about it. So follow some more of those accounts. Even if you're not gonna watch videos, go on Pinterest, look at pictures that look like your hair. Search your hair type. Try your best to make your algorithm try your best to make your algorithm conform to what you want it to look like. Your algorithm should not be depressing you. Your timeline should not be making you sad. You should not be crying unless it's something heartfelt, I guess. But it's like, why do we compare ourselves so much to people on social media? Because you have your algorithm is trained and sort of programmed to feed you this type of content that you've been interacting so much with, but you've barely interacted with any relatable content or any content that actually looks like the lifestyle that you live. What's that about? Because if you see more of that, you would see the reality of things and you would share more experiences with the people that you follow, and therefore liking their content more and engaging with that sort of thing. But especially when it comes to your hair, because I'm getting a little off topic, especially when it comes to your hair, seeing hair that looks like you and how someone else manages it, pay attention to that. Really get into it, because there are some amazing creators out here that really take their time to showcase what it's like to bear with the atrocity everyone's talking about, which is really just our natural hair. And it's all in all what it is. We all know how wash days go, but all in all, that just makes it much more beautiful. The process you have to go through and the transformation that is when you do something for yourself and for your hair, unbelievable. Step number 3, and you already knew what it was going to be educate yourself. This goes into the social media thing and seeing people that look like you, but educate yourself also on the history of your hair, because there are so many interesting things you would find out about Black people and how our hair has been literally a discourse. They have criminalized our hair. They have brutalized us for wearing our hair. They have forced Black women to cut their hair off. They have just done everything they could have ever possibly done to suppress positive promotion for natural hair, unless it fits the perfect beauty standards. But they are not, and it is a lie. And your natural hair is just as beautiful, if not more, because of just the refining that it takes for a Black girl to fall in love with her hair. Y'all, I'm telling you, once you know more about your hair, you can't unsee it. You can't see it differently. So read about your hair. I suggest a few natural hair books. I can put them in the description or in the comments if you want to know. I've read a few myself, but mostly watching YouTube videos about my natural hair, playing in my hair, getting more educated about your hair is the number one way. That was number 1, but that was number 3. But it's in the top 3, but it's not 3. We've been silenced so long in our history, so it's time we start speaking up and celebrating the things that make us different. And our hair literally, quite literally, makes us different from anybody else. Our hair grows differently than anyone else, any other race. And so praise God for that. But also prayers. We need to bring the girls back to why it is important, or what they should just, what's our mindset? Like what the mindset should be. I just thought I'd let y'all know where my mind is, or where my mind goes to when I take my hair down or my hair isn't the best and I'm just feeling low and I'm feeling bad about my hair. And if you know me in real life, you know I go a lot of days without having my hair done in a style. I just do my own hair at home. I've really taken all of these steps and they've helped me to be where I am now, to fully and confidently wear my hair, and no matter what state it's in, whether I have it done or it's not done, I can go up the street. I'm good. I want that confidence. I want us to walk with that, like, because this is our hair. So you never have to have a moment where you hate your natural hair, ever, because this video, I just told you what to do. If you do these things mindfully, I'm telling you, you're gonna start liking your hair. Like I said, you trick your brain. You rewire your brain to liking your hair. Actually, you prefer your hair. Get to that point. If you like this type of content, go ahead and let me know down below. Keep looking for more content like this from me, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.